Basic roundabouts. Approaching a roundabout, view it as a circular one-way system. As you approach a roundabout, assess the amount of traffic's there. Take your foot off the gas. Buy yourself a little bit of time. At this junction we're going to turn left, first exit. We're approaching the junction. We're giving way to the right, so we need to look to the road to the right and the road straight ahead, which will hold back the traffic coming from the right. Indicate left. Leave the junction and make progress. Always check your mirrors to see what's behind you. This time we're going to go straight ahead. Second exit. Off the gas. Buy some time. Look to the right. Look straight ahead. If you need to give way, pull up to the stop line. Nothing there. Let's make progress. Looking left, left mirror. See that there's nothing in your blind spot, then make progress. This time we're going to turn right, third exit. Off the gas. Buy yourself some time. As we approach, look to your right, look straight ahead, look left, left mirror, left, left mirror, indicate and make progress off the junction.